Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, creamy eggnog cheesecake. Now that our eggnog is incorporated, it's time to add the eggs. We're going to add 2, and once again, I'm just choosing to add them in with the top removed rather than worrying about getting them through the feeder tube. So we're adding 2 eggs, and there's 1, and then a second one. And after they're in, we're just going to, once again, pulse it. The same thing that we've been doing with every other ingredient. I think it's really important to add the ingredients in separately and make sure that each one is fully incorporated before moving on to the next. This is going to ensure that you don't end up with pockets of cream cheese, pockets of sugar, perhaps an egg that isn't fully incorporated. So let's just pulse it. And you can see the eggs were incorporated very rapidly. You want to scrape it down at least once. At this time, if you wanted to add any rum, that would be a good time, or even a couple of sprinkles of nutmeg. That would be a great time to add before we go on to our next step.